As you know, तुमकां खबर आसा lockdown period till 17th आसा. But most of the function being green zone have started in Goa. Like industry has started, shops have opened up. Only restrictions are on few things, like spa and saloon. Even hair cutting is permitted. Stand-alone shops are permitted. So people need to travel. So here comes the need for Kadamba buses. Since government offices are open, here comes the need for people to commute. But still we find there are less people on the road. Meanwhile, grievance of the private bus owners association is generally, today I met the Vasco bus owners, that they cannot ply with social distancing as capacity is reduced to half. As you know, in Goa and elsewhere they are used to packing passengers like sardines and taking them. So we said that will just not be permitted, whether by police or by RTO. So I gave them a counter proposal, which is also mooted by Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant some time ago, and I was also pursuing it very actively, that instead of you running on some routes the private bus service, you give it to Kadamba to run. We will hire the buses from you and we will run the entire services on behalf of Kadamba. So as to what will be the rate per kilometer, what are going to be the terms and conditions, roughly they will look after the maintenance of the buses. It will be their driver, only conductor will be ours, and revenue we will be collecting. So we told them if there are losses on some routes or whatever, it will automatically accumulate on Kadamba losses. But what is of paramount importance is service to the people. We want to sort of balance and get a level playing field wherein these synergies are worked alongside together for common good of public. तुम्ही पळयला आसतले थोडे बस सारखे इतले चिकार वयता, फूल वयता, आणि दुसरी बस फाटी वयता एम्प्टी वयता. हे जावपाक पावपाना. So people also will travel in comfort and there will not be an attempt to only fill those buses which the private owners run and Kadamba empty वचपाचे. कित्याक ही व्हडली रॅकेट आसली. जायते ओनर आमच्या ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराकूय मेळ्ळले, ते सुद्दां एग्रीएबल आसा. आतां फायनल टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन आमी वर्कआउट करता. And I will also be meeting all stakeholders. In fact, today evening also I given some association appointment in my secretariat office. हांव तांकां मेळटलो, सगळ्यांचें आयकून घेतलो आनी मागीर आमी एक स्ट्रॅटेजी करून आमी प्रायवेट बसीस सुद्दां चलोवपाचे प्रयत्न चल्लेले आसा, सो दॅट पब्लीक वील नॉट बी इनकन्विनियन्स. कॅपेसिटीचे ऑपरेट जाता 50% गव्हर्मेंट फारी करा. गव्हर्मेंट कितें स्थिती आसा तें तुमकांय खबर आसपा जाय, लोकांकूय जाणवाय आसा. आमी इतले कठीण परिस्थितीन गुजारता कित्याक कोविडा लागून सगळें बंद आशिल्लें. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आसून दी, लोकल गव्हर्मेंट आसून दी, पयशे खंय आसा. सो एज अगेन्स्ट दॅट बॅकग्रावंड वी हॅव टू एडॅप्ट आवरसेल्फ, कम आउट एंड रायज अप टू द चॅलेंज. सो दॅट इज वॉट वी वॉन्ट टू डू. आनी एक बरी बस सर्वीस चलोवन कदंबा प्रायवेट बसीस हायर करून एक न्यू सिस्टम इवॉल्व करपाक आमचे प्रयत्न चल्लेले आसा. आनी ते म्हणपाक लागले एक पॅसेंजर आमकां अप्लाय करपाक दिना. आमचे आजसून आमी तुमकां एलाव करता अप्लाय करपाक एक पॅसेंजर घेवन. दुसरो इश्यू आयलो, फाटल्या बसतलो तो हेल्मेट घायल्यार तेच हेल्मेट प्रत्येक जो पॅसेंजर बसता तो ताका यूज जाता. आनी हे आमी जे मास्क घालता ते कितें मास्क घालून कितें फायदो तो म्हणपाक लागलो. हे मास्क घालून फायदो ना, कित्याक क्रॅश हेल्मेट तरी घायले जाल्यार एक एक दुसरे वेगळे वेगळे लोक आसता. सो ताका लागून आमी डिसायड केलं की फाटलो जो आसा ताका हे कोवीड हे जावचे पसून फाटले एग्जेम्प्ट आसतले. आमी फाटलो पिलियन रायडर आहा ताका क्रॅश हेल्मेट घालना जाल्यार जाता. हें हांवें तांकां सांगलें रिलॅक्सेशन आमी तुमकां दिता.